blooms like flowers.
Warm, approachable, and super clear.
Hey, could you tell me a story?
Sure. There was this little corner store on Maple Street that stayed open late. The kind of place where the lights feel warm even when the night.
Hey guys, this is Frank. In this video, I will show you some new update for the NavTalk 2.3.1. You can find the release notes over here. We have a new public homepage. So this page, you could view some avatar which published by others. So you can try some of them and you could add it to your own avatar and to do some modify and use that. This is very useful. Also, it's much easier to create the avatar, like the vibe coding, just by some prompt. So let me show you how to get this work. There are a few ways to do that. You could use your own photo, or you don't have any photo, you just provide some prompt to do that. So let me show you create a photo first. If you already have a photo, you just pick up the photo, pretty much like the avatar we did before. You need to sign up. Okay, so now let's say you have the photo over here. If you want to do some modify for this photo, you just do over here. This step is just to help you to create the image. So for my case, I want to say, remove the background. Remove the background. So this will call some API to remove the background. So let's do that. This is original photo. This one is a new one. So you could keep polish your photo or your image by the prompt. You could tweak that a little bit just by provide a new prompt. Okay. It's probably need about 20 seconds to get the photo created. Okay, now it looks very good. If you want to change the shoot, so let's say change the clothes to form shoot. Okay, so let's do improve, which will polish this photo. Yeah, this is how it's work. Basically, this step just help you create the photo. Now next one, I think this one is good, so just pick up this one, generate with this photo. So let's say generate. Okay, here is the photo. So right now this step is generate the video, which will generate the 2 seconds or 8 seconds closing looping video. The first frame and the last frame will be exactly the same. So this one I would say just smile and blink, smile and need. Yeah, I think that's all I need. You could define some movement over here, how you want to the avatar move, add some gesture or something like that. So let's generate the video. It's need about another half minute to get the video generate, and also you could improve that if you don't think it's very good. So you could change the prompt again and generate a new one until you got the best one you think. Okay, now it's generated. So let's say, okay, so it works but not very good. So let's say, okay, smile and blink and turn around a little. Okay, now let's generate again. It will generate another one, so you could pick up the one you think is good. Okay, now it's working. So it's a little bit turn but not that much. So you could pick up one of them. Let's pick up this one. So let's say continue with this motion. So now let's say, okay, what's the name of the avatar? I would say Frank test 1. First message, hey, this is Frank. Okay, prompt, so you are a software developer. Okay, now let's pick up the model. Real-time, GPT real-time mini. Okay, the key, default key. So now let's continue. Now let's pick up the voice. Of course, if you pick up a different provider, if you pick up the ElevenLabs, you may have more voice, but the OpenAI will only have few of them. So let's use this one. Let's try this one.
It's me.
Okay, let's try this
What's
one.
up?
Okay,
This is
let's
Echo
try.
here.
Use the Echo here. Okay. So let's click confirm. Now it's generate. It's probably need about half minute to get it generate. Right now it's training the avatar. Before I move forward, I want to briefly talk about how I manage the NavTalk release email campaign, since we will do the release every 2 weeks. So I would like to introduce the high-level software. It basically is an all-in-one platform that combines the CRM, marketing automation, and the client communication in one place. It's not just a simple CRM platform, but also could do a whole bunch of the marketing stuff, such as the email campaign, and also manage your social accounts. I already connect my LinkedIn and YouTube account here, so you could reply the comment over here just from one place. Yeah, I think there are much more features than you thought. You can try. Let's back to the main video. Okay, let's try.
Hey, this is Frank.
It's the
Hi there.
camera. Hey, could you tell me what you can see?
Sure. From what I can see, you're sitting in front of several monitors, and there's
Okay.
a whiteboard on the wall.
Looks good. Okay, looks good. Next is how to create the avatar. If you already have the photo, your own photo or someone's photo, but if you don't have any photo, you just have something in your mind, this also could get work. So we could just use the prompt. So let me show you how this get work. Okay, so I already have the prompt over here. Say a Chinese young lady smile, look at the camera and keep the mouth closed, something like that. Yeah, I will create a brand new avatar, but I don't have the photo. I just have something in my mind. It's something like you want to create a virtual assistant, a virtual girlfriend in your mind. So you could use this way to do that. Okay, let's try. Okay, now it looks very good. So we still need more change, to more improvement. I need the mouse get closed. So I say keep the close. So now let's do an improvement. Otherwise, it will look very strange. Now it's probably need another half minute. Okay. Now looks much better. So let's compare that. Okay, so we use this photo. Now let's continue with this look. So I want a little bit of movement. I want the hair like a little bit move and blink and also turn around a little bit. So I use the prompt like this. I want to generate a 4 seconds video. So now let's generate the video. This step will help you to generate the looping video. We will use this video to train the avatar. So let's do that. It's probably need about another half minute. Okay, how it's generated? Let's try. Seems not blink very well. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, this one looks better. So again, you could keep improvement by the prompt. This step will help you create the perfect video. So now let's use this one. So just continue with this one. Okay, so let's say this one is Jen. Okay, and let's say okay, hey, this is Jen. Prompt, okay, you are a English teacher. Okay, now let's use ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs have more voice, so let's use Gemini. Let's go here, so you have more voice. Let's try
Ireland is an island shaped
Okay.
by water, weather,
Let's
and
use
memory.
British English.
From the moment the
Okay,
Atlantic
let's,
meets
use this one. Okay, now it's need another 20 seconds or something to get the avatar trained. Okay, now let's give a try.
Hey, this is Jane.
Hey, what do you do?
I am an English teacher. I can help you with your English language learning journey. What would you like to learn today?
Okay, very good. This looks perfect. So now let's say something about the share. If you think this is very good, so you could share this with your friend. Once you share this one, there is some share setting, because if you share the avatar with others, it will use your own credit when others try to talk with your avatar. So you could set up the password which could protect your sharing. Also could set up some usage limit. But if you want to public that one, that means everyone could access your avatar. So we will use our own credit for this avatar, so you won't get any charge because it will public to our website. So let me show you how to do that. This is a female, this is the Asian. Okay, this is the casual. Let's do next. ElevenLabs, which looks good. So don't worry about this. We will use our own credit if someone talk with this avatar. So let's public this one. So once it's public, you may not able to see this over here. We need to approve that. We need to make sure that one looks decent, not something strange, not something horrible. So let me approve that. Now let's refresh the page. Okay, you will see it's here. So you could call this one, and some others could add to their own avatar. Once they add to their own avatar, they could do some change.
Hey, this
they
is
could
Jane.
change the prompt, the first message, or something like that. Yeah, that is how this get work. I think this is very useful, especially for someone want to use the avatar very quickly. They don't want to create the video by themselves. So this is much easier for the user to create the avatar. There are more updates. You can take a look at the release notes. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all for this video. If you want to learn more about the NavTalk avatar, just let me know. I will put the link to the video description. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.